So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some beautiful chord progressions you can use in the key of C. So let's say you're playing a simple song, all my life you have been faithful. So what I did? So I did. All my life you have been faithful. Then you can do. So I'm doing do, re. So my right hand, and then left hand. So all my life you have been so 6, so good. Every red. So if one you can do those two things together. So all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been. So you see what I did? So good. Da, 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 da. So the next thing I want to show you is let's try this movement. I will sing. Of the goodness. So you can do La Sol Fi. So La Sol Fi. Or you can do Fa Mi Re, or Fa Mi, or. So let's try a different song that we can try that. So let's say Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound. This is what I did. So instead of playing the 4 chord, you can do that movement. So I did Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. So I did this Fi, then F minor 6, and then 3 and then the scale that I'm using for the F minor is E flat, but I'm using a F Dorian. So I'm doing Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound. So F Dorian scale. So Dorian, and then I'm using any chord from Dorian. So you can try one. You can play the F Dorian scale like this. Let's try something. Or you can do. So let's try something. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. So Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. So let's try another song. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper. So Waymaker, keeper, light in the darkness. So it's a very easy movement. So instead of playing the 4 chord. So let's keep going in goodness of God. So I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. So what I did. So So I did. So this is like a dominant chord movement. I'll talk about this in my future videos, but so I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing. Oh wait, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness. Or let's say another example will be amazing grace. How sweet the sound. I say for it like me. So what I did. Or an example will be you are God alone. From the first time began, you are God alone. You can use it anytime you're going to the flat 7. So anytime you want to go to the flat 7, you can try it. So that's it for today. I've shown you 3 movements, so you can try this. Or you can do. I usually use this movement on the 4 chords, so like. Waymaker. Or if you want, you can use it going to the 4 chords. So going to the 4 chord, you can try something like this. So, or you can try that. Or you can do. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so. And then the other one was so good. Every breath. Da, da, da. I will sing all the goodness. You can try now. I will sing of the goodness of God. You try. And then the last one was so. To go to your flat 7. So that's it for today. If you'd like to learn more chords like this, check out my piano course. It's going to be the top link in the description. And I'll see you guys in our next video.